Okay, so let's say that I'm looking for, they're all set up this way, all three problems. 2/4 of 40. So if I want to know what 2/4 of 40 is, I'm going to multiply 2/4 times 40. And in order to do that, this means, for those parentheses, means I'm multiplying, and I take this whole number and I put it over 1. Any whole number that's here goes over 1. When I multiply fractions, I multiply top times top and bottom times bottom. They each have something stapled to the inside of their front, the front cover on their math. So this is 2 times 40, and 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 times 40 is 80. This is 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. This is now a division problem. This top one is the one that goes inside the box. So this is 80 divided by 4. 80 is the one that's being divided. So I can count by 4s until I get to 80, which is a pain. Or I can say I'm going to divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So first I'm going to divide. If I have 80 people in my arena, I need to find out how many times I can pull out 4 people without going over. So let's start with, just do the 8. That's much easier. Let's do 8. If I have 8 people in my arena and I can pull out 4, 4, 8. I can pull it out twice. Now that's the divide. Now I multiply. I do 4 times 2, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now I subtract. So I subtract 8 minus 8, I get 0, and I bring down my other 0. I have double zeros, that means I still have to go because I still have a space here. 4 goes into 0, 0 times. 4 times 0 is 0, and I subtract to get 0. I can tell this is right because 20 times 4, 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 2 is 8 is 80. So 20 times 40 is 80. So 80 divided by 4 is 20, and 20 is the answer. So really, if I look at this, 2/4 is the same as a half. If this were drawn better, this would be a half. So this is really just half of 40. And half of 40 is 20, so I can check that, and that's correct.